The city's mild climate and rapid urbanization made HVAC systems essential for residential and commercial buildings. Refrigeration and climate control is also a major part of Los Angeles' goods movement and logistic industry, particularly for transporting perishable goods such as food, pharmaceuticals, and chemicals. There is a critical and ongoing need for technicians in this industry. Students in this program will learn how to repair, maintain, and install heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems that regulate temperature, humidity, and air control in residential homes, commercial locations, and industrial facilities. By fulfilling program requirements, students will receive certification from the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, to handle refrigerants. They will also gain expertise in electrical controls, piping installation, and compressor installation and repair. With a certificate or degree in heating, ventilating, air conditioning, HVAC, and refrigeration, students will be prepared for entry-level positions that lead to successful careers in HVAC.